I'm Molly Rector from DDN at the SC15 booth. We are here this year announcing new products, really enjoying seeing the innovation that's occurring from our customers in the market, all the way from enterprise web cloud to the biggest supercomputing labs in the globe, and lots of really cool new technology that we want to show you about from SC15 at DDN. DDN this year has announced a complete refresh to our entire product portfolio. We've been in business now for 18 years serving the HPC market as a technology and innovation leader, and this year we've refreshed everything from our highest performance introduction of the burst buffer IME application accelerator and file system accelerator, all the way down to new appliances for academic universities, work groups, all the different areas of HPC, from the exascale initiatives down to the day-to-day compute jobs that need to be done throughout the industry. DDN has refreshed our portfolio. And one of the biggest announcements we did was the SFA14K platform. So the 14K from DDN is an absolute game-changing technology. When we talk about it with our customers, they literally are jaw-dropping at the kind of performance they're getting with 6 million IOPS coming out of a 4U box, 60 gigabytes a second coming out of the system, and then incredible storage density. But it's not just about the hardware with the 14K. The 14K platform is now embedding applications on a local PCIe fabric, doing a 10 to 100x reduction in latency, as applications are local to their memory devices, which is local to solid-state disk. All the application latency is dropped with that same kind of performance that I was just talking about. So we're seeing lots of excitement. Both CEA and TAC announced that they're using the solutions here at the show this week. So big labs already are getting involved with the system. It's really exciting to see at DDN. And then another great announcement that we had at the show was the technology that we started to talk about for exascale initiatives 3 years ago, Infinite Memory Engine, or the DDN IME technology, is now released and shipping into the market. It's one of those great technologies we know we need for exascale, but as we've continued to drive the innovation forward, we're finding any big data-intensive application in the world can benefit from the acceleration IME can offer. Any system that's running a bunch of applications, multiple applications on a compute cluster that are fighting for a resource, that are trying to have contention for getting their jobs not just run, but pushed off into storage, can take advantage of IME. We're shipping it as an all-flash array appliance, so what you get out of IME is the software that handles I/O patterns to make them more optimally configured to move into the compute. It makes it possible for more jobs to run simultaneously on the compute cluster, taking advantage of those compute resources, all delivered in a great appliance that leverages the performance of the new NVMe, non-volatile memory SSD technology, to give you the greatest acceleration you can of your applications, the greatest acceleration you can of your storage, and the most efficient use of both your storage and your compute. It's a lot of technology all wrapped in a little 4U box. We've been talking about it for 2 or 3 years now, and what's great is that we now are shipping it to customers this quarter. It's going into production. We've done test beds of over a dozen different sites, and we know that this technology is going to get us to exascale, and we know this technology is going to really solve a lot of the big data analytics problems that we have outside of the exascale initiatives. For those of you who were here at SC15, we've seen you in a lot of great places. We had a huge user group meeting with almost 300 people there. Our party last night, I think 600 people were there for the customer appreciation party for DDN. Thank you for stopping by the booth, to the parties, the user group, and if you didn't make it to SC15, we're glad you're watching this video.